Hello, welcome back. So we are going to write a Java program to check if a string is a palindrome or not. A palindrome string is a string which if we reverse it will read the same. So for example, there are liril. So if we read it from left to right or from right to left, it will read the same. Then there is another string nayan. So for this is also the same from left to right. If even if we read, it will spell the same. If we read from right to left, it will spell the same. So these two strings are palindrome. But there are strings such as cat. But if we read it from right to left, it will not spell the same. So this is not the palindrome string. So let's check how to check if a string is palindrome or not. The first step is store a string in a variable. Then we will reverse the string and store in another variable. The condition to check if string is palindrome or not. So here we will first uh, store a string in a variable. So we have a string str1 is equal to, let's say, some variable, and we will give value liril semicolon. Then we will declare another variable here, string str2, and it will be an empty string just for the declaration purpose. Now, as we have seen in the last video how to reverse a string, we will apply the same logic here. So for int I equal to str1 dot length -1. So we'll start from this location. I greater than or equal to 0. We will traverse up to here, and for traverse we have to decrement the I. In the for loop we will be storing the reverse string in this variable. So str2 is equal to str2 plus str1 dot. With the caret, we will use the caret. It returns the character value at the specified index. So we will use this, and the variable is I. So as soon as this will traverse, it will read from L, then I, then R, then I, then L. And once it is done, okay, and once it is done, we will check the condition if the string is palindrome or not. So if str2 dot equals, so equals will compare with an object. Here we will be using str of 1, and if it is equal, if it returns true, then we will print a message system dot out dot println, and we will write as string is palindrome. Or we can write your variable here. str1 is palindrome. Else we will write as system.out.println str1 plus is not a palindrome. So let's run this program now. So it is saying Liri is palindrome. And let me give some random string here. If I check this is not a palindrome. Let's check for another string, nayan. Is this a palindrome? Yes, this is a palindrome. But if I add extra a here, will this be a palindrome? It won't be a palindrome. So this is how we can write a program to check if a string is a palindrome or not. Thank you.